How do our eyes see color? Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue, why grass is green, or why your favorite dress looks like one color to you but a different color to someone else? Our world is a canvas of colors, and the magic happens inside a tiny organ in your skull, your eyes. Today, we're diving into the science of color vision and discovering how our eyes truly see the world in vibrant hues. Chapter 1. The Anatomy of the Eye. Your eyes are like high-tech cameras, constantly capturing the light around you. Light enters through the cornea, passes through the lens and reaches the retina, a thin layer at the back of the eye. The retina is packed with millions of photoreceptor cells called rods and cones. Rods are sensitive to light and dark, helping you see in dim environments. Cones, on the other hand, are responsible for detecting color. And here's the fascinating part. We have 3 types of cones, each tuned to a different range of light: red, green, and blue. Together, they allow your brain to mix and perceive millions of colors. Chapter 2. How light becomes color. Color isn't a property of objects, it's a property of light. Light is made up of tiny waves, and each color corresponds to a different wavelength. Red has long waves, blue has short waves, and green falls in between. When light hits an object, some wavelengths are absorbed and others are reflected. The reflected light enters your eyes, and the cones react to it. Your brain then interprets these signals as the colors you see. Here's a mind-blowing fact: what you see isn't actually out there, it's your brain constructing a vivid representation of reality. Chapter 3. The Brain and Color Processing. The retina does the first part of the work, but the magic happens in your brain. Signals from the cones travel through the optic nerve to the visual cortex at the back of your brain. This is where your brain processes the information, compares input from all 3 types of cones, and reconstructs the color spectrum in real time. Imagine a painter mixing 3 primary colors to create an entire palette. That's exactly what your brain does every millisecond. It's a level of speed and precision no supercomputer can match. Chapter 4. Color Perception and Illusions. Color perception isn't always perfect. Optical illusions can trick your brain into seeing colors that aren't there. For example, checkered patterns, shadows, and lighting conditions can make identical colors look completely different. This is why a dress in one photo went viral, with some people seeing it as blue and black and others as white and gold. Your eyes send raw data, but your brain interprets it based on context, past experiences, and assumptions. Chapter 5. Beyond Human Vision. Humans see only a fraction of the color spectrum. Bees can see ultraviolet light, snakes detect infrared, and mantis shrimp have 16 types of color receptors, allowing them to see a world far beyond our imagination. This raises a mind-blowing question. The universe is filled with colors we'll never perceive. Our perception is unique but also limited. Chapter 6. The Evolution of Color Vision. Why do humans see color at all? Scientists believe color vision evolved to help our ancestors find ripe fruits, edible plants, and detect predators. Red and green cones gave early humans an advantage in spotting food in dense forests. Color is not just beauty, it's survival. Every color you see today is the result of millions of years of evolution, finally tuning your eyes to the environment. Chapter 7. Color in Art and Technology. Our understanding of color has shaped art, design, and technology. From painters mixing pigments to scientists creating digital displays, all of it relies on manipulating light and our perception of it. Your phone, TV, and computer screen are essentially tricking your brain using just red, green, and blue light to recreate the entire rainbow of colors. All this thanks to the incredible biology of your eyes. Conclusion. So, the next time you marvel at a sunset, gaze at a painting, or notice a subtle shade in your clothes, remember, it's your eyes and brain working together, translating light into the dazzling colors that make life beautiful. Color isn't just out there, it's inside you, created by your eyes, processed by your brain, and experienced uniquely by you. If your mind is blown by the science of color, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to explore more wonders of the world with brain tenacity.